Hi, Malati Vijay Kumar welcoming you once again to Meen Man Cooks. In today's episode, let's see a Kalaignar's carrot salad. Let's see the ingredients required. 2 medium-sized carrots, a teaspoon of sugar. If you prefer not to use the white sugar, you can always substitute with either palm jaggery, very little of it, or some honey. Salt to taste, juice from 1 lemon, 1 green chili, a few coriander leaves finely chopped. After washing your carrots, peel them. Use a good peeler so that your peel is not too thick, because we all know the nutritive value of the vegetable lies just below the peel. We don't want to waste all the nutrition, and you don't have to discard the peels. You can store them and make a vegetable stock, or just collect all your organic waste and make compost at home for your plants. Now let's get started with the grating. We're not going to grate it too fine or too coarse. This side is very fine. We don't want to use this side. This is very mota. This also is not the right one for the salad. This is perfect. So let's grate our carrots on this side of the grater. See? Perfect. Wow, looks good. The color, the fine grating. This kind of grated carrot you could use even for your halwas. We're done with the grating of the carrot. Let's grate the green chili. We want this also very fine. Don't go too close. Be careful with your fingers as well. Now let's cut the lemon into 2. We need to extract the juice. Extract the juice into a bowl. So that's the lemon juice for us. Salt to taste. This should do. Sugar. We can add a teaspoon of sugar. Mix them all. Let the sugar dissolve in the lemon juice. Let's add the chopped green chilies to the lemon juice mixture. That should do. Now we'll add the coriander leaves. Mix them. And finally the grated carrot. We'll add half the grated carrot. Mix it with this dressing so that it blends well. Now we'll add the remaining carrot. Looks delicious. And your nutritious Kalaingnar carrot salad is ready. This is a very simple, easy salad with all the flavors. That is, you have the sweet, you have the sour, you have the spice, and of course the taste of carrot. Apparently once when Meen Man was working on the visual effects of a Kalaignar movie, he himself was there on the set, and one of the people attending on him mentioned that was giving this salad to the late Karunanidhi, and mentioned that this was a must have for him on an everyday basis. And much later on, Meen Man found the recipe on the Google search engine. So we bring it to you enjoy it as much as he used to. I don't think I can wait any longer. I'd like to taste it. Nice and fresh. Yummy. Slightly on the spicier side. It was a nice big green chili, but I like spice. It's really good, very refreshing. It goes very well as an accompaniment with your fish fry, your chili chicken maybe, any of these fried starters. This goes as a very good accompaniment. I'm sure this has motivated you to cook. Do try it and give your feedback. For the recipe, click on meenman.com. For all your non-veg requirements as well, click on meenman.com and place your orders. Do follow us on FIT, that is Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. I'm sure you enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed showing it to you. Thank you.